simple vehicle management system in Java. This system will include different types of vehicles, such as cars and motorcycle. We will use an interface that defines the common behaviors of all vehicles, an abstract class to partially implement these behaviors. So let's start. First, we have here an interface. So first, let's put all of our method that we will be using in this code. So wait, start indent. Start. So next method is the sub indent. Then next is the accelerate method. Uh, wait, accelerate. Next is the stop method. I mean break method. But, sorry. After that, we will create an abstract class. So let's put here abstract. Let's name it. Let's name it. Um, this as abstract class will use an implement. I will use implement vehicle. After that, we'll make an variable for our brand and model. So model and brand. After that, we'll create a method for our abstract vehicle. So let's so we'll use a constructor here. So string. We will be using these variables, our model and brand as our constructor for our abstract vehicle method. Let's put in and, and string brand. So after that, we will start making our. After that, we'll make a method that get get our Mm. And after that, let's create uh, getters for our model and brand. So model. Hmm? Hmm. So let's copy this. I wait. We have to return our value of our model. So let's put return model. So let's copy this so we can paste it for our brand. Return address is brand. After creating our getters, we will now make our start engine method. So let's void start engine. So we will leave this as blank muna. Then make the other method, which is the stop engine method. So let's just copy this one. Let's change this to stop engine. Next method is the R accelerate method. So let's just paste this and change the name to acceleration accelerating. Accelerate. Oh, accelerate or accelerate. The last method is brake. So search this. And then we have our method as brake. So let's put some. So for our start engine method, let's just put up. Let's just print. I mean, let's print starting engine. So now put print. Let's print here starting engine. Now print for our stop engine method. And changing to stopping engine. So after creating our abstract class, let's now create our class a class for our car. So let's put as We have to extend our class car to this class abstract vehicle so that he can access these methods. So let's extend. So as you can see, we have an error. So it recommends that I balik good. As you can see, after we extended our car class to abstract vehicle, it has an error that recommends us adding a constructor. So with that, you can see here, it automatically made our constructor for our abstract. So let's see. After that, we'll create a method here that will create this method, accelerate and brake. So let's just copy this one and let's add override. So let's print here. Let's print for our car class. Let's put car is accelerating. Then here let's just print car has let's put here car has after we are done with our car class, let's now make our class for our motorcycle. So and this class motorcycle, we need to extend it for to our abstract vehicle. So let's put the extend extend keyword here, then abstract. And after that, so same happened for our car class. It suggests that we make a constructor for our this class. So then it created this method. So next thing we do is to override this method, accelerate and brake method. So let's just copy this. Mhm. Then let's change this into motorcycle, same as this one. Yeah. And we are done with our interface. So we have here our interface vehicle, our abstract class, which is this one, this one. So our class car, then our class motorcycle. So now we will go to our main class. So we need to instantiate our let's I, so let's first let's instantiate our car. So then here we'll put our parameter. So you can see for our car we have string, we have variables here which is string. So let's put um, let's put lcat lcat and then lcat. Then let's start to call our method from our interface. So it's you can call it with this or you can see here. So let's call start engine. So the our expected output for this method call is this R, this one. So expected, we will expect that it will print starting engine. So next method we call ours the stop engine. Then for this car stop engine, our expected output is this. It should print stopping engine. You can see here. It should print this. So next method we should that we call our so then there been a mistake. So letters so should check all order start ending order start engine. So next method should call is the method accelerate and method break. So our expected output for this one is this one. The print starting engine, stopping engine, then car accelerating, then car has stopped. So let's proceed. So our motor. So same here. We should first we will need to instantiate our motorcycle. Sorry. So we need to put a constructor also here. You can see from our class motorcycle and our method motorcycle that it has a variable string here. So let's put that at one for our model storage. Yeah. Let's put Raymond 25 in here. Just teach. So now let's call our methods using this keyword. So start first is the start engine. Next is the stop engine. Then accelerate method. And last is the brake method. Brake method. So let's try running this one. As you can see, this is the output. So starting engine from this one, then stopping engine, as you can see here, then cars car X accelerating. As you can see here, we called it the car. Then car stop for our brake. Same for our motorcycle. So and that's all. Wait lang. Oh, wait lang. That sounds intro.